So this is how I'm sounding with the Zoom F4 multi-field track record. Yeah, multi-track field record, which is one of the best you can get for around 549. Again, I'm a huge fan of it. The built-in preamps are quite good. Let me show you the gain. So I'm recording at 52 decibel, so I don't want to hit about zero. As you can see at the background, I'm using a air con. So yeah, so to be honest with you, I'm sounding quite good. The noise floor is quite good. I'm recording in an open room with no acoustic team, and this is not a studio, this is a study room. Okay, this is a study room. So again, I'm really surprised. The built-in Zoom F4 preamp are quite good. Now let me connect with my Pearson Tube Pre V2 preamp and then see how good is the Pearson Tube Pre V2 preamp. How is the noise level? I'm a little bit worried about the noise level. I don't want that this preamp increase in noise because the Zoom F4 noise level is amazing, literally amazing.